This is how to download Roblox on your computer. So first thing you need to do is just open up a browser and go to roblox.com. And then you're going to be directed to this login page. If you don't have a Roblox account, all you need to do is just sign up and follow the instructions. But I already have one, so I'm just going to do that. Enter my username and my password, and then click on login. And now I'm going to be directed to the home of Roblox. And I'm going to have a bunch of games that I can choose from. But there's a new one here called Superhero Tycoon. Maybe let's choose that. So click on it. Now all you need to do is just click on this play button. And you're going to get this pop-up telling you Roblox is now loading. Get ready. And then you need to click on download and install Roblox. So it just installs it right away. It's pretty small. So I have it here in my downloads. So if I click on it, I have this Roblox player installer. I need to click on it. Now it's asking me, this is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? So I just click open. And then it's gonna start configuring Roblox for me. So I just need to wait for it till it's done. Now it's ready. So all I need to do is just log in with my username, enter my password, and log in. Now I'm in my Roblox app, so I will just choose the game that I want to play, click play, and now the game is loading. So I just wait for it to load, and here we go. This is how to download Roblox on your computer. I can just go ahead and just start playing. And I can do this for other games as well. So yeah, hope that video is helpful.